Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to explore the fascinating world of Photoshop manipulation. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the basics of Photoshop manipulation and learning how to create some amazing visual effects. So sit back, relax, and get ready to unleash your creativity with Photoshop. Let's get started. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in learning the basic techniques of Photoshop manipulation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Until next time, keep creating and have a great day.